Applying colour to your design can be intimidating, even just knowing where to start. You might have a colour palette ready to go, but using it effectively is another matter. We use colour to support the rest of the interface design. When you're working with colour, you usually have at least the typography and the layout in place. From there, the question becomes, where could colour benefit the design? Is there anything we want to draw attention to, like interactive elements? Are there elements that matter less and should be de-emphasised, such as footer text and meta information? Our colour choices start with decisions about contrast. So why not start in grayscale? When you work in grayscale, you can consider the hierarchy of information in your design just in shades of grey. Start with black and white, usually black content on a white background, and then you can use opacity to lower and raise the contrast of your content. Once you're satisfied with your contrast, you can replace the greys with your chosen colours, taking care to ensure they have similar contrast levels to your original grey values, maintaining the same lightness or darkness. You could even just keep them grey. Just be sure to convert your semi-transparent values to solid values, remove the opacity from them, so they won't change appearance when you place them on different background colours. Join us at penpot.app/courses.